Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through my 6-month natural hair journey. So if you are someone who is thinking about growing out your hair, or if you are already on your hair journey, then you need to stick around. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joseph and this is the official channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome! You guys have been so awesome. I mean, we're currently at 70 subscribers. We are trying to get to 100. So guys, keep subscribing so that you can get to see, just more awesome content. You know what I'm talking about. Okay guys, I'm basically going to be taking you guys through my 6-month hair journey as stated in the title. But I'm going to be using pictures and maybe some videos, but the videos are not that much. I think the videos came later on in the hair journey, but mainly pictures. So I'm just going to go through the pictures for each month. This is mainly for those who are really on their hair journey or planning on growing out their hair, just so you get like a sort of timeline. It might not be exactly the same in terms of length. It might be longer or shorter when you get to that 6-month mark on your own hair journey. Just to give you an estimation of how long your hair may be in 6 months. Okay guys, let's get straight to the video. So I'm currently filming on my iPhone 7, but I'm going to be using my Samsung phone to go through the pictures. So let me just scoot over here, because I'm going to be putting pictures right here for you guys to see. So guys, the first picture should be up on the screen in 3, 2, June 2020. Just trying out waves at this point. I was trying to see how I look on waves, but it came out alright. The waves look pretty decent if you ask me, but it was just not really my look. I have a diamond shaped head, guys, thus the big ear and large nose. But I know because of that, my head has this is it egg-like? I don't know. This on low cut it just looks terrible. I might put a picture that clearly shows it, but on low cut it just looks terrible. The next picture was in June. Okay, it was also in June. This was also in June. I was still trying out the waves, but my hair was growing out already here. This next picture is in July. Early July. I had just gotten my fade done. I know it does not really look nice now, but it's because my hair was rough at that point. But yeah, I had fades at this point. I think throughout the whole of July, I was mainly just rocking do-rags all through. Right? That was just mainly what I was doing, because I didn't really have my hair long and I wasn't really doing anything to my hair at that point. So I was just really wearing do-rags and all that. This picture is in August, and at this point I already started a sort of routine. I was using the VO5 shampoo and conditioner and coconut oil. That was just my routine. It wasn't really anything much, just the shampoo, conditioner and coconut oil. And that was basically what I started with at the 3rd month of my hair growth. So if you're interested, you can start with that. The products are actually very cheap. VO5 shampoo and conditioner, they both sell for 1,000 naira each in Nigeria. That's in naira. So it was really very okay. It's really very okay, so you can get that if you want to. Okay, this next picture is in September. At this point I was in Maiduguri. I know. But I was with my sister and it was fun guys. I had fun. At this point my hair was already 4 months, I think, here. Next picture is also in September, guys, but I had my hair combed out, so it's the same length with the previous picture, but I just had my hair combed out. That's why it looks a whole lot fuller. This next picture is in October. I had just started experimenting with twist and twist out. I also put a twist out picture. It's in the same month. I wasn't really using any product, but the twist came out okay, so it was still good. Guys, this next picture was in November. I had just had box braids done. I think I had this in for about 2 weeks, I think. I really like box braids because they really give my scalp space to breathe, and it's just easy and it really looks good. Although with this style I had extensions in because my hair is still not really long to get this length, but I had extensions in and it looked fire. It was okay. Okay guys, this next picture is in December. I think I mainly started experimenting with curls in December. This was my first wash and go. Wash and go is the curly hair method I used in the first curly hair tutorial I did. If you don't know what a wash and go is, then you can go check this video out. I will leave the link to the video in the description so you can check it out. Okay, so I had just started experimenting with wash and go, with curly hair routine. So this was my wash and go. At this point, I was using the VO5 shampoo and conditioner. I was also using the Cantu leave-in conditioner, the African Pride curl pudding. Yes, African Pride curl pudding. I don't really have the container or anything right now to show you guys. They're really nice products. I will leave them in the description box for you guys. And I was also using Eco Styling Gel just to hold the curls in. This next video is finger curls. This is still in December. At this point, I was actually still figuring out how much product my hair needs to hold in different styles. So the amount of product I use in this routine, guys, like, you know, I'm looking at this video right now and I'm just cringing because the product in my hair in this video would be enough for like 3 routines or something. Okay, this last video was in January. I was just trying to check how long my hair had gotten, and it had gotten pretty long if you ask me. Like, the growth in 6 months was okay for the amount of product I was buying, you know. To be honest, guys, I know everyone has like a hair goal. I have a hair goal too, you know, that you want to reach and you are just waiting for that time till your hair gets long or whatever. But the truth is, for you to fully enjoy the journey, you need to appreciate and love your hair at every stage, because the more you actively enjoy the present stage of your hair, the more you get to understand, you know, how much product your hair needs, your kind of hair. It just makes you know your hair and get ready for when your hair is long. And it's just that's why it's called a journey actually, because you get to understand your hair. Because the truth is, guys, everybody's hair is actually different. No matter the amount of hair tutorials and product recommendations that you may get from people, your hair is still different. Not everything will work for you. The way the style looks on my hair might not be the way it looks on yours. So you have to be very active in, you know, figuring out what works for your hair. You get what I mean? Okay, guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, do it to leave a like down below. And if you are new to this channel, do it to hit the subscribe button that is up on your screen. I think it's somewhere here. But yeah, and do want to check out my amazing natural hair playlist. I think it should be here. Just check them out. I'll see you in my other videos.